Where have we landed? Good morning, everyone. So today is actually our second day in Cancun. We got here yesterday after a long morning of traveling and we were very tired, so we kind of walked around a little bit, went to the beach, had dinner, and then kind of just called it a night. We were exhausted. So we went to bed really early last night, got up at like 7:30, just had breakfast and claimed our spot at the pool. And now I think we're gonna go walk around a little bit, walk on the beach, take you guys around. And then I think that's all we have planned today. I think tomorrow we might try to go, one of the excursions here is you can get on a sailboat and go across to an island over there, so we might try and do that tomorrow. Alright, so it is our last day in Cancun for our honeymoon. Been really bad about taking my camera around because I'm afraid it's gonna get wet. So most of the footage that we got from like our excursions and stuff were on the GoPro. Wednesday we went sailing, so we're at Playa Mujeres, and then across the way is Isla Mujeres, so we took a sailboat over there, and along the way we stopped and went snorkeling, and then they stopped and let us like jump off the boat and we could try to do paddleboarding. So Dev and I both tried to paddleboard. He could not do it at all. He couldn't keep his balance. The first time I tried to do it, I face planted on the board and bruised my knee up. But then I got the hang of it and I stayed on for a while. We got back on the sailboat and went to the island, and you were able to like shop or walk around. Dev and I rented a golf cart and kind of went like all around the island. The road's a big loop. And then we came back here. Trying to think what time we got back. I think it was like 2 or 3 in the afternoon, and we were just like exhausted from fighting the waves in the ocean because it was really choppy when we were snorkeling. So then on Thursday, yesterday, we went to It was like an adventure excursion. So they had 5 things you could do at like this big, basically a big amusement park kind of. There were 14 different zip lines. There was a zip line that you were attached to a hammock and you landed in the water. And what else? Well, the whole thing was like this underground cavern type thing. And you could swim in the water and it was like crystal clear. And they also had rafts you could get on and kind of paddle your way through some of the channels. And then they had like water vehicles so you could drive like through the water and stuff, so that was neat. And that was a long day.
That will go. Hold your heels up. Oh, let me stop it in the water. This is cool.
Today's Friday, our last day, which we're super sad about. So we just relaxed, hung by the pool all day, floated around on the rafts, and then we went to a bocce grill for dinner. So now we are going to, unfortunately, pack up our things and get to bed.